How to install an SSD without reinstalling Windows OS. The video will provide a step-by-step guide. Use a SATA to USB cable or external box to connect the SSD to your laptop. Then you need to initialize the new SSD first. Click Disk Management. Select the disk partition style. And you can follow the on-screen path to find the computer's boot mode. Then go to the iSunshare official website to get CloneGo. Launch the software. Click Disk Clone option. Select the old drive as the source disk. Select the new SSD as the destination disk. Click the Start button. Click Yes to continue. After completing the data transfer between disks, now, you need to install the new SSD in your computer.
Before we get started, make sure you have powered off the laptop and unplug it. Properly remove the battery if your laptop has a built-in battery. Be sure to disconnect the power cable after opening the back panel. Then, unscrew all the screws on the back panel. Open the laptop lid. Insert a small card along the gap to separate the entire back panel. Close the laptop. Flip it over. Slowly remove the entire back panel. Locate the hard drive. Carefully, remove the screws securing the drive. Gently remove the drive out and disconnect the SATA connector from the laptop. Seamlessly reattach the back panel. Screw it back in. And then reinstall the battery.